Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Apple is about to drop the most powerful Apple TV ever, and the leaks are absolutely wild. We're talking 8,000 streaming, console-level gaming, and even built-in FaceTime calls, all in one sleek little box. This could be the ultimate upgrade for your living room. Whether you're a hardcore streamer, or casual gamer, or just someone who wants the smoothest, most future-proof TV experience. The 2025 Apple TV might be the one device that replaces half the tech in your living room. And trust me, some of the leaks today aren't just upgrade, they're complete reinventions. There's a reason tech insiders are calling this the biggest Apple TV leap in history. So let's dive into every rumored feature, expected release date, pricing, and why this upgrade could completely change how you stream, play, and control your home. The 2025 Apple TV 4K isn't just another small upgrade, shaping up to be the biggest leap since the product launched. From 8K streaming to console-level gaming and even built-in FaceTime, this could be the only entertainment device you need. Today, I'm breaking down every leak, rumor, and upgrade you need to know before launch. Why this update matters. The Apple TV has been a staple since its debut, but 2025 is different. Apple is reportedly using this device to merge streaming, gaming, and smart home control into one hub. Competitors like Amazon Fire TV and Roku can't match the rumored A18 Pro chip and Wi-Fi 7 speeds. Top 10 rumored features. 1. A18 Pro processor. Same chip as the iPhone 16 Pro for insane speed. 2. Wi-Fi 7 support. Zero lag streaming and ultra-fast downloads. 3. Built-in FaceTime camera. Family calls directly from your couch. 4 8K HDR, streaming future-proof, visual quality. 0.5. tvOS. 26 revamped sleek UI plus AI-powered recommendations. 6. Apple Arcade Boost console. Level graphics and gameplay. 7. Expanded storage options, more apps, more games. 8. Advanced audio Dolby Atmos, plus upgraded spatial audio. 9. HomeKit Pro Hub. Full smart home control center. 10. Battery-free, remote solar and ambient light charging. Release date and price. Expected launch, September-October 2025, likely at the Apple event. Price predictions, $99. $179? Potential bundles with Apple One or Apple Arcade. Subscriptions for extra value. Why this could change everything. The shift to 8,000 could make Apple TV the most future-ready streamer. Apple Arcade upgrades could make it a legit gaming console. Alternative with HomeKit Pro. This isn't just a media device, it's your smart home brain. So is the Apple TV 2025 worth the hype? If the leaks are accurate, this will be the biggest leap in Apple TV history, and possibly the ultimate all-in-one entertainment hub. If even half these leaks are true, the Apple TV 2025 is going to be a game changer, not just for streaming, but for gaming, smart homes, and everything in between. We're looking at 8K video, next-gen Wi-Fi 7, and enough power to rival a console. I genuinely think this could be the biggest Apple TV update we've ever seen. I cannot wait to test it myself the second it launches. If you want to be the first to see my hands-on review when it drops, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell so you don't miss it. And hey, drop a comment and tell me which rumored feature has you most excited. I'll be replying to as many as I can.